Kitty, this is...
Yeah, we should make a show about it. Let's go.
The point that you need to just shut your mouth, Kitty. You're being stupid, Kitty.
Hey everyone, my name's Alan.
Hey, shut your mouth. Yo, I was heading to my school when I saw a kid. She didn't hesitate. She came right to me. I said, "Kitty, up." What on earth are you doing? She said, "Joseph, I'm just chilling." Out of nowhere, she hit me with a headbutt. The sent me flying, but never did a thing to give up. I'm in charge around these parts, Kitty. She replied, "Yes, and it's not okay with me. You're a kitty."
He's
Now, Kitty.
Baby. So good.
Take a seat. You're causing too much ruckus. That's not okay with me. I know that you love me, and it's me that you're pursuing, but Kitty.
Get in the pussy wagon.
Gee, what on earth are you doing? 5 years later, the kitty and
What?
become my pet. Headbutting everyone, she was a threat. I said, "Kitty."
Oh, I can't believe this. How many views does this have, you look?
Millions.
2 million. 2 million views.
You're mental and dangerous and ill. She said, "Shut up, don't mention my name in your tweets, mate." I said, "Kitty."
Awesome, dude. I want to meet him so bad.
You can't be saying this, Kitty. Say, you're mental. You're not Storms and Kitty. This angered the kitty.
You like this shit?
Oh, was it supposed to be that?
This is your idol.
How could they do this? No.
It's like 8.
My confidence was growing, but then she ran away. Kitty was... Where are you going? You're a kitty.
What is this?
Now kitty, take... I see, you're causing too much ruckus. That's not okay with me. I know that you love me, and it's me that you're pursuing, but kitty... See? What on earth are you doing? After weeks of searching, I came across a clue. A pigeon was hanging about and not one that I knew. I went and saw the pigeon and it seemed very tense. I say one pigeon, but then I'm on the fence. Oh no, it's Kitty. Finally, you're back. Then she made her way to the pigeon, but she did not go to attack. They started kissing. Clearly they are in love. Now who is that pigeon? That pigeon is my mom. What? You're a kid.
Throttle up. Okay, in case you guys didn't think low enough of me, okay? Just want to show you what I'm all about, okay?
Okay, now get
What V&V is, right? Yeah, dude. So
take a seat. You're causing too much ruckus. That's not okay with me. I know that you love me, and it's me that you're pursuing, but Kitty.
why?
Hey, what on earth are you doing? You're a kitty. Now kitty, take a seat. You're causing too much ruckus. That's not okay with me. I know that you love me, and it's me that you're pursuing, but Kitty. What on earth are you doing? Yo, shout out to the pet centipedes. Kitty, you need to just shut your mouth, Kitty.
We do a lot of stuff about pranksters and goofsters and gaffsters and YouTube, you know, stuff. But today...
I am the Wellmeister. Shut your mouth, kitty.
Hello. No, this is a shoe. No. Woohoo! Woohoo! No, this is a shoe. I can't hear you. I'm on a shoe right now. This isn't a real phone.
Mouth, kitty.